Welcome to linuxlib.com. Today we'll see how to install Zimplit CMS on Ubuntu 21.04. CMS means Content Management System. It is the software used to manage digital content. Zimplit is the easiest content management system ever made. Zimplit is extremely lightweight, simple and customizable. Prerequisite for inbuilt CMS are Apache Web Server, PHP and its models. First I'm going to check the OS version by using following command. It is Ubuntu 21.04. Next I'm going to download the Zimplit CMS by using following command. It is downloaded. Next I'm going to extract the downloaded CMS by using unzip command. It is extracted. Now I'm going to move the CMS to the Apache home directory. Next I'm going to change the ownership for the directory. Next I'm going to change the permission for the directory. Next I'm going to create a virtual for the Zimplit CMS. This was my virtual host. Server name I given was linuxlib.com. The account is set as Zimplit. After completely editing this file, press escape, go over WQ for save and exit from the file. Next, disable the default virtual host file of Apache. Next, enable the Zimplit CMS. Next, enable the rewrite mode for Apache. Next, create a host entry. IP address followed by the server name. Now rename a file. Now go to the browser and ping the server name. Last time restart the Apache web server by using following command. Now I'm going to the browser, ping the server name. This was the Zimplit homepage. Create password. Click agree. Okay. This was the dashboard of Zimplit CMS. Hence, how to install Zimplit CMS on Ubuntu 21.04 has been completed.
Thank you for watching this video, and if you like it, please subscribe to our channel. To learn more tutorials, visit www.linuxhelp.com, and if you have any queries, mail us to support@linuxhelp.com.